Welcome back to Tech Goods, where we bring you straightforward reviews of the latest home and technology appliances. Today, we are reviewing the Frigidaire Gallery 24-inch built-in dishwasher, model GDPH4515AF. With its stainless steel smudge-resistant finish, Energy Star certification, and a wide range of wash cycles, this dishwasher promises both efficiency and modern convenience. In this review, we will take a closer look at its design, features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it is the right choice for your kitchen. The Frigidaire Gallery dishwasher has a sleek and modern appearance with a stainless steel finish and a bar handle that gives it a professional look. The smudge-resistant coating is especially helpful for busy households, as it reduces fingerprints and keeps the appliance looking clean. With dimensions of 35 inches in height, 24 inches in width, and 25 inches in depth, this dishwasher is designed to fit standard cabinet openings. However, when the door is fully open at 90 degrees, the depth extends to 49.25 inches, so proper clearance is necessary to ensure smooth operation in your kitchen layout. Inside, you will find 2 adjustable racks and a capacity for 14 place settings, which makes it versatile for everything from large dinner plates to delicate stemware. The tall plastic tub may not feel as premium as a stainless steel interior, but it remains durable and cost-effective. This model offers 8 wash cycles that include heavy-duty, energy saver, normal, quick wash, and rinse only, giving you flexibility depending on your cleaning needs. The digital display is easy to use and includes a delay start option, so you can schedule a wash cycle at a convenient time. A safety lock is also built in for households with children. The hard food disposer is a valuable addition, allowing you to skip extensive pre-rinsing, while the 3 wash arms provide strong coverage for thorough cleaning. At 52 decibels, this dishwasher is not the quietest on the market, but it is quiet enough that conversations in the kitchen can continue without much disruption. Convenience is further enhanced with a removable silverware basket, a heated dry option, and a low rinse aid indicator to simplify maintenance. Energy efficiency is one of the highlights of this model. With both Energy Star and Energy Star Canada certifications, it uses less water and electricity compared to non-certified models. This not only reduces your monthly utility bills, but also contributes to a more sustainable household, which is an increasingly important consideration for many buyers. Before you purchase, make sure to measure your space carefully. The cutout dimensions are 34.25 inches in height, 24 inches in width, and 24 inches in depth. And you should also measure the delivery path, including hallways, stairways, and doorways, to ensure the dishwasher can be moved into place without difficulty. The unit weighs 56 pounds and comes with a drain hose and leveling legs. Professional installation is recommended if you are not experienced with built-in appliances, as adjustments and connection to plumbing and electricity can be challenging. User feedback for this dishwasher has been positive overall. One customer described it as the perfect replacement for their older model, although they noted that installation required additional adapter parts. Another customer kept it simple by calling it great, highlighting its reliability and ease of use. These reviews suggest that while installation may sometimes require extra effort, performance once installed is very good. The dishwasher also comes with a 1-year limited warranty and is UL listed, which ensures that it meets safety standards. While it does not include more advanced features such as a digital leak sensor, the core essentials are covered to provide peace of mind. The main strengths of this model include the smudge-resistant stainless steel finish, adjustable racks, the tall tub for flexible loading, Energy Star certification for efficiency, the inclusion of a hard food disposer, and a wide selection of wash cycles with delay start functionality. On the other hand, the drawbacks include the use of a plastic tub instead of a stainless steel interior, a sound rating of 52 decibels, which is not the quietest, and the possibility of needing additional parts for installation. Overall, the Frigidaire Gallery 24-inch dishwasher model GDPH4515AF is a strong mid-range option for families who want a reliable, efficient, and modern-looking appliance without overspending. While it does not offer the premium extras of higher-end models, it strikes a good balance between practicality, sustainability, and performance. If you are replacing an older unit, this dishwasher could be the perfect fit, but make sure to check all measurements and delivery path details before making your purchase. That concludes our review of the Frigidaire Gallery 24-inch dishwasher. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest appliance and technology reviews here on Tech Goods.